How do we accelerate sales growth? What kind of strategies we can apply to spur sales growth?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marchell Ludy. In today's episode, we are diving deep into the realm of sales and finding strategies on how to skyrocket your revenue. Imagine this. You are a cosmetic business owner with stable but stagnant sales. The growth is sluggish and it is becoming frustratingly flat. You are yearning to discover ways to boost your sales volume. The strategies for increasing sales volumes are actually quite simple. There are only two ways to grow sales. Increase the number of customers to buy your product. This is called penetration strategy. The second one is increase the number of products being purchased by your customers. This is called consumption strategy. But how do you implement them? When should you employ a penetration or a consumption strategy? Let's say you are a new brand, a newcomer to the cosmetic category. Your market penetration is still low and your market share is below 1%. In this situation, the best strategy is penetration. You must relentlessly strive to acquire new customers. And you can do this by attracting customers from your competitors or by expanding the cosmetic category itself. And you can do this by enticing new customers who have never used any cosmetics before. For example, teenage girls. On the other hand, if you happen to be the market share of the cosmetic category with market share above 30%, then the best strategy is consumption strategy. You already have a loyal customer base. Now it is time to increase their consumptions of your brand. How can you do that? How can you increase the consumptions for each of your customers? For example, you can create bundle packs or create regimen packaging within the same brand. Let's say you are creating a fabulous packaging consists of lipsticks, eye serum, and face cream, all at discounted price. This activation will boost the consumptions of your existing loyal customers. How about you? Have you experienced any successful strategies to boost your sales growth? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.